That was silly. I don't know what that was. I think that was a burp.
That was a nasty burp.
You dropped it. Oh, there it goes. She's looking after it. Oh, there we go. Here. No, you gotta sit up a little bit. I don't want you folding in half. Nom. Bonk. Don't drop it.
You make them up covered. I think she's like seriously tired.
Maybe.
She's being silly.
I'm seriously wanting some more tacos too.
Nom.
Here.
Are you going to allow me to have any more taco Rios?
You keep dropping your caterpillar.